Hi everybody, James Simmers, Marine Park Technical College Culinary Arts Instructor, here to talk to you about a great barbecue for a graduation party. Sure, lots of people make hamburgers, but we're going to show you a way to make burgers that's going to be just a notch above everybody else. A lot of fun, fresh beef, and some other ingredients too. Fresh ground beef, make sure you knead it really well. That's going to help hold the burgers together. And you want to get it good and thin. This is going to help it to cook faster, and then you can be a part of your own party. So we're going to mix it up with a little bit of different cheese. We're going to start with that in the center. We're using a pepper jack cheese here, a little bit spicy. On top of that, you can go later if you want. You can do lettuce, but instead of doing lettuce, why not do something like spinach or something a little bit different? Same thing with your dressings. Instead of ketchup and mustard, maybe you want to just put on ranch dressing. So we're going to put that on in the middle. Again, won't soak into the bread this way. We're going to finish the whole thing off with a little more cheese. Instead of putting it on top of the burger, all this is going in the middle. We're going to have a nice tall hamburger, and it's going to be, there we go. Okay. Put it on there like that. Okay, we're going to let that cheese melt just a little bit.